Let's get you set up. First, a quick map, because the word Claude refers to a few different things, and it can be confusing. There's Claude on the web and on your phone. That's the chat app, great for questions and writing. There's Claude Code, the agent we just met, the one that actually builds software. And Claude Code can live in a few places, inside a code editor, on the web, or inside the Claude desktop app, which is the one I recommend you start with. Why desktop specifically? 3 reasons, and they matter for a beginner. 1, it's a single program you install like any other app. No complicated setup, no typing commands into a black screen. 2, because it runs on your computer, the agent can actually reach your files, create your project, save your images, run your app. A web-only chat can't touch your machine the same way. 3, it keeps everything in one calm window, your conversation, your files, and a little browser to see your app, so you're never lost. So, let's install it. Go to the official Claude download page, and please only download from the real Anthropic site, never a random link someone sends you. Download the app for your computer. I'm on a Mac, but there's a Windows version too. Open it and sign in with your account. If you don't have one, you'll create it here. And note, you may need a paid plan for the coding features. I'll be honest, this isn't entirely free. And that's it. This window right here is where everything in this course happens. Get yours installed and signed in. And when your screen looks like mine, come back, and we'll talk about why this is different from the other tools you might have heard of.